Ooh, hello! Would you believe it? This month is now a year since I started this channel. Oh yes, whole year since I set up Caveman Ogof YouTube channel. All things caving. Ha! Pretty cool. And here I am, still caving. Can you believe it? 12 months. Pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Right then, need to continue. I've just been up that crevice. Yes, that big mountainside crevice. Now I've been in, suited up in my overalls to have a look to see if it does go further. Wow, I know the answer. You'll have to subscribe to the channel. Please do. Pretty cool actually. Let's see how many subs I can get to celebrate 12 months of caving. Hey? Let's get some subs, some likes, some comments. Share the channel, guys. Show the love. Oh yes. Woo woo woo. And it's raining now. I don't care. I'm gonna keep going. Ha! Whoop, whoop. Got my lid, I've got my lamps. Let's go caving into, well, they haven't got a name. Shall we call them the Golden Gates of the Great Orme? This crevice cave over here, down next to the tall house. Let's head in. Wibbly wobbly. Haha, timey wimey. Funny, a grasshopper just jumped and hit me in the lip. There we go. Wow, it's very intimidating. Very grandeur. Just make sure I didn't miss anything last time. Ooh, it's very slippy down here. All this. Yeah, this is definitely a lot lower, wasn't it? I reckon. Something, look, what's that? Hey? Ooh, what's that then? Something there. Okay. Ooh, planes.
Warning, all actions and stunts performed in this video were done so by a professional caver.
Okay, let's have a look, see. Down in here, shall we? First of all, now I've got my overalls on, I don't mind crawling in this rubbish. Shall we head straight in? Where's my lamp actually? Let's go up there. There you go. Okay, so Definitely more down there. So the question is, can we get in? See, it opens up. We'll take a bit of digging though. Nice. If there was can you see what I'm looking at? I can't tell. Right. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, well. Don't want to look at the pipe, isn't there? You know, I'm wondering, other than digging that out to see, you know, what's beyond there. Hopefully this is picking up on the GoPro. It's mounted on the helmet. You can see things blowing in the wind. That's a good sign, but that could be from above. You know, obviously this crevice doesn't go up to the top. Right. As you can see. Have a quick look in that pipe. It was blocked, wasn't it, last time I remember? Yeah, you see all the rubbish on it. Right, okay. Okay then. Oh, this is lovely. Covered in. Sure, this is very good for you. Whew. Right, stop recording for a second. Hello. Oh, I see a cave. Definitely see a cave. Yeah. Blimey. Holy shit. Don't know if I can get through there. That's very tight. You can see the wind blowing through it, can't you? Ooh, what do you think? Goes around the corner, goes right. Wait a minute, come on. I think. Oh, jeez. Got very windy outside. I can blow my legs. Well, guys, that's some evidence. Definitely goes further back, doesn't it? Don't know if I can squeeze through there yet though. Must be a challenge in itself. I'm trying not to be worried about this boulder that's right above me. Jesus, Nora. Okay. I really wish those pigeons would stop flying around. Right, that makes sense. Back down. Okay, next time I go up there I'm wearing a mask. Yeah, breathing in whatever that is not a good idea. Yeah, if I climb up again, I want to go above that boulder. I want to head up there to that hole. See what I'm shining my light? Look at that. Definitely go somewhere in there. Pigeon's annoying me though. But okay, it's fine. Nifty little ladder would be nice here actually, just to make sure I'm okay. Carrying a ladder down here would be fun. Hey. Hey, talk about sponsorship. Does anyone want to donate a ladder to the Caveman Ogof YouTube channel? That'd be nice. A nice, well, not even a big ladder really. Maybe one of those telescopic ladders. That'd be handy. Right then. It's enough for one day. As we can see, from there, definitely goes on. Definitely goes on. Yeah. Cracking view today, eh? Hey, I'm on my day 25 of walking around the Orme. My monthly marathon walk around the Great Orme and dry August. 25 days, eh? Who'd believe it? Definitely not me. Pipe down there, don't you? Look. See that? Ah, so that's where the pipe is. Ah. Okay, it's quite deep down. water. Well, there you go. A little bit more. This gets more intriguing, doesn't it?